Student fees allocation. In this recording, I'll demonstrate how you are able to set the fees for the next term for students for all classes. So when you log into your dashboard, you go to the fees setup and then you navigate to manage term bills. This would show the various terms. Okay, so a previous term, the current term, and then we have a next term. This particular term is gotten from the settings, the academic calendar. So we have the current term and then the next term. So that is where we retrieve the data from, and then you are able to allocate fees to students. If in order to allocate fees, you click on allocate fees, you select the class that you want to allocate the fees to. Let's say we want to allocate books to class 1. You select all students that you want them to purchase the books, and then you can set the amount to to be paid by each student. You click on allocate fee and then you proceed. And here you have the fees allocated to all students within the class. The same way, if you want to allocate tuition, which has already been done, you can then proceed, click on the tuition, and then you have the fees allocated to them. Once you are done, when you go to fees allocation, you can be able to see for each class the fees that has been allocated to the class. But then this is the general class fee. However, individual students would have their own fees allocated. So the fee amount would be different per student. We also have the student fee allocation where we have all the students of whom we have allocated the fees to, and we have the amounts due and then the fees balance, which is always the same because no student has yet paid for the third term, for the first term in this demonstration. So we'll have all our students and then we can be able to print out the bill. But then take note that on the bill, the class would be the current class of the student. Of the student. Okay, so that is it. As simple as that. Go to fees management, set up fees, manage term bills, select the class, and then you allocate. And that is all you need to do.